Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to enable route options on Sygic GPS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on this menu icon to reveal your navigation options. This icon serves as your gateway to all the important settings and customization features within Sygic GPS. Once the menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This will take you into the main settings area where you can configure various aspects of your GPS navigation experience, including route preferences, map display options, and more. Now, within the settings menu, you'll need to locate and tap on route planning and navigation. This section is specifically designed to help you control how Sygic calculates and displays your routes, making it essential for customizing your driving experience according to your preferences. After tapping on route planning and navigation, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can see the route options section. This is where all the important route customization settings are located, allowing you to avoid certain types of roads and areas based on your needs. Here you'll notice several toggle options that give you control over your route planning. You can see avoid highways, avoid toll roads, avoid congestion charge zones, avoid ferries, and avoid unpaved roads. Each of these options serves a specific purpose, helping you steer clear of roads or situations you'd prefer not to encounter during your journey. To enable any of these route options, simply tap the toggle button beside each one you want to activate. For example, if you want to avoid toll roads to save money, tap the toggle next to avoid toll roads and it will turn on. Similarly, if you're driving a vehicle that's not suitable for unpaved roads, you can enable the avoid unpaved roads option. You can activate as many of these options as you need, and they'll all work together to create the most suitable route for your specific requirements. And that's it. You've now configured your route options in Sygic GPS to match your driving preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.